Let's play some verses on Left for Bread.
Is this left for revenge on Moosh? Nothing else matters to kill Moosh.
Just kill Moosh. Moosh is like, okay, so how do I... We're just ganging up on him. Okay, since I'm recording, I'm gonna get some lag, because Fraps likes to... hey, I can't decide whether the 30 or 60 FPS.
Okay, so...
Select your class. What?
You can select your infected class.
Really?
Yes. Yes. I don't know how we do it, but we can.
Oh, man.
Oh, shit. So I can just chain hunters. This is gonna be good. So let them talk and waste time. We're gonna get a boredom horde before long.
Yeah.
And then... Yeah.
Oh, if Jubbz is a hunter, I thought... Okay.
Okay.
Jubbz is slowly...
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh, Moosh is dead. Oh, lordy. Oh, man. So, Moosh is down.
Moosh is dead. He's not down.
That's
He's
it.
just gone.
I took him to a magical journey in the water.
I got Dan over the edge. I couldn't kill him, though.
Okay. What's funny is I was, like, kind of aiming for satellite and charger straight line, so...
I got natural hunter.
Ooh. Ah! Ugh. Wow, Russ took a lot of damage. Yes!
Time to move, let's go.
That hunter. Wow. Ooh,
I got
spitter.
satellite for some lumps. I thought I could jump through that little crack. Apparently not. Collision. Valve games. Oh god.
Okay, that better have been an accident.
Oh, I cut Dan off.
Yes. Smoker. I'm not going to let Dan get away.
Oh, he got away.
Shit.
Is the Jubbz still here?
Yeah, Jubbz is jockey.
Oh, okay. Ooh. Yes. Oh.
Drag back. Got away. I have 3 times his health, too. So do they, apparently.
Okay. Oh, I didn't get him.
Grab Dan again. This is great. This is pretty great.
I don't hear Jubbz at all.
Yeah, I can't hear him.
Huh. I don't know if he muted or what. Oh, wow. Wow. Well then. That was some good stuff.
That was some good swindle.
Okay, do we have to get the crap out of here because they're gonna try to do to me what I did to them.
What'd you do?
I charged motion to the water.
There's not gonna be any gas. Watch.
Okay.
You took him on an Argus adventure. Are there health kit?
You are now an athlete. What? Oh crap! Yeah, where are the health kits?
Oh shit.
Oh, I see him. Charger. See, they tried it. They tried it. Okay. Oh, that's right. All the health kits are in here because this is where the finale is.
Oh, I see. We have 3 times as much health, but it's on expert.
Oh, is it? It still says I have 100. Does it say you have 300?
No, I'm at 52, but like I took way more than 52 damage.
Huh. Okay. Weird.
I don't know. Okay, so let's just keep moving. Hunter.
Oh,
Hunter got me.
oh,
Hunter got me.
God, oh, God. Yeah, you're right. It's taken more than one hit to kill him.
Stop it.
Okay, let's go up and over this ramp.
Let's just get over here. Oh, God, smoker, smoker.
Boy.
Help, help,
Oh,
help.
frick.
Let's go on your
Careful,
feet.
Jubbz, behind you.
Look out.
Jubbz' mic's broken, I think.
Oh, okay.
Like, he hasn't said anything in a while, but...
No clip.
Oh.
Holy
okay.
shit.
There he is.
Oh man, I must have accidentally muted myself or something. What the fuck?
Okay.
Hurry, Jubbz.
Go, just get over this cliff. Get over the ridge and just make it further than them.
Smoker! Oh,
No,
God.
clip, I'm getting got.
I'm coming back.
Just shoot the wire or something.
Okay, careful, Evan. Ooh. Jockey. Uh-oh.
Oh wow, I'm surprised I can move like this.
Oh, no. Shoot it!
Oh no!
Shoot it better. Shoot it better.
Okay, I'm just gonna run for it and rack up points.
Yeah, I'm gonna run for it too.
We could have had that.
Oh, shit.
Why did you alert the horde?
Well, I'm unfortunately over that one-way barrier, so I'm kind of screwed and don't have much choice in the matter.
The one we jumped over wasn't one way.
Isn't that little thing one way?
No, you could have come back.
Well, shit.
And I'm dead.
So
Okay, that's a wipe.
I had wondered why Evan wasn't just like, oh well, I'll come back and help you.
I thought that was one way. Okay.
Shit.
Evan.
Okay, we still did better. We're okay. We're okay.
We could have easily had that.
It sounded like,
Sorry.
like almost avenged ourselves.
It's okay.
And then
Oh, we have to play survivors first. Just fucking book it. Run.
yeah, this is
Run.
the mill,
Like,
isn't it? Oh, it is the mill.
This is the mill. Just run.
Hey. Your team is winning.
Your team is swindling.
Yeah, I did. Man, that was fun. Sound like fired me.
Ooh, Zan did good damage.
Adrenaline. Okay, ready?
No, I am still loading in for some reason.
Okay.
Probably because I'm uploading and shouldn't be. Ooh, good shotgun.
Okay. I have AK.
Got me an AK-47.
Okay. Health kit and adrenaline. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I got adrenaline too.
Us probably isn't loaded yet. Let's take advantage of this.
Oh, wow. Lag. Oh, crap.
Back up, back up, back up.
Crap. Stupid fraps. That's okay. I didn't take too much damage.
Okay, let's go, go, go.
Crap! Smoker! Smoker!
Oh, not again.
Hunter! Hunter!
Keep bashing him back. Okay, let's make a run for it, Jubbz.
Hey! Huh?
Jockey
Ooh,
behind
got-
you, Zan. Okay. Oh, what the crap, man?
Ah!
Why are you not dead yet, Jockey? Okay.
Hey, get your ass up now. Come on.
Hey! Hey!
Okay. Run through, Jubbz.
Yeah, let's get the hell out.
Boomers have at least 200 health.
Oh boy. I had... Okay, wait, yeah, it's different than the presentation. Here, Jubbz, take these pills or something.
Shit.
Oh, he's healing. Okay, that's fine.
Let's go.
Crap, it's the vomiting bitch. Somebody got a vomiter.
Oh, are you
Tank.
freaking kidding
God,
me?
tank.
Oh god, a tank? Are you serious?
Here he comes. Okay.
Hey, we got a tank. Okay, get out. Go, go.
Where is he? There he is.
Dan doesn't know how to hunter.
He's gonna hurry before he throws his cereal box. Ooh. Oh, jeez. It's Russ. It's not Dan. It's Russ.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh, did I get you up? No, barely missed it. Adrenaline, you are useless. And
Haha!
killed the moosh. Okay, so this tank is going to be a wipe on both ends.
It sure
Yep.
is. Okay, you know what?
You know what? Just die. We're not going to survive this, and let's not give them extra points for damage.
Eh.
Or just run as far as you can.
Yeah.
Either one. Okay. Oh, you can crawl.
Ooh.
Yeah, let's go.
Just crawl as far as you can.
What the crap?
Well, yeah, we're actually getting points for crawling. Not a lot, but... Yes.
And I'm dead.
Oh no. What the crap, Rochelle? Or,
Be right
I'm
back.
not even Rochelle. Who am I?
Oh, shit, man.
Where am I going? Oh crap, there was another freaking staircase.
Okay, I'm down. I'm
There
down.
we go. Oh, I
made it 75.
I made the 75 right as they got me. That's good stuff.
Okay.
I could have made it further if I freaking knew to go up the stairs right away. Dang it. I thought I just went around. Okay, jockey.
I have spitter. This is good. This is a great start.
Yeah, we can really just break them up in here.
Yeah.
Okay, remember Zen, you have to crouch to use the hunter's pounce.
And then aim upward, because otherwise you're going to just lunge at the floor in front of you.
Okay, what does the Jubbz have? Jubbz has a boomer.
Good.
Okay. Alright, let's do this.
Alright, Dan's getting curious. Dan's getting curious.
Curious Dan.
Alright, let's see. Where the hell to go? I go this way, and waiting for the...
Satellite's not loaded in.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, I think now he is. Yeah, he's in.
Okay.
Get ready. Here they come. You ready?
Do you want to spit first, or should I jockey first? I'll jockey first.
Yes.
Oh, damn it!
Yes.
I got shot!
Ah!
Puke it!
Revenge, satellite, revenge!
Russ got me. I blocked one door. He can only go out the side. It's in front.
Nice, nice, nice.
Okay.
Yes! Yes, Zan, yes!
Yes.
Satellite is getting torn to shreds. Good stuff, good stuff. Oh, wow! She got Russ as well. Dude.
Well.
Oh,
wow.
man.
Chuck,
She is wrecking them.
Yeah, she is.
Wow.
I am a freaking charger right now, so...
Boomer.
Yeah, let's see what I can do as a charger.
I got jockey. This is... Oh, wait. No, this actually could be good.
Alright, let's,
Shoot. Game. Game. Game.
let's do this Diego style!
Okay, we're back. Yes. Oh, they caught Zan that time. Go, go, go. Come on. Fire, fire, fire. Yes. Yes.
Got the moosh.
I'm dropping down right by you. Yes, they killed me.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, nice.
Got you, dead.
Nice,
Got you,
nice.
dead. Got you, dead. Oh shit.
Oh boy.
Okay, they're coming into the swindling field.
Alright, we're gonna swindle them big time here. Oh wow, somebody got Boomer. Who got Boomer? Oh, Xantical got Boomer? Okay, good. We go puke on him.
Jockey.
We go
Hot
try
charger.
to get him from above or something. Let's see who I got. Let's see who I got. Ooh, I got Spitter.
Gotcha. Zan, spin on me, spin on me. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good. Russ is getting maimed. Yes, 7. Yes, Russ down.
Oh, I got the moosh! Guys, my favorite game is Mike Tyson's Punch Out.
What the hell is... Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm not that surprised. I am not surprised that that's your favorite game.
Oh,
Because
man.
you think Mike Tyson is a swindler, isn't it?
No, I just meant that charger. That was some good charger.
Oh
Okay.
crap! I came back to the game too fast, so my mods didn't load. Oh well.
Oh.
Alright, I'm
Ooh,
booming.
Hunter! Hunter!
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna climb up this building.
We've got a boomer. Good, good. Charger. Shoot! Oh, I still got satellite. Okay, that's fine.
Oh, yeah, I
Yes! Yes!
I got him! I vomited on Moosh!
Oh, oh, that didn't hit Russ. What the hell?
Aw.
Yeah, he got
Aw.
Oh!
Satellite's gonna be next.
That's incapacitated Moosh!
Yes.
Oh, is that what happened? I didn't notice that. Okay. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I managed to puke on him.
Okay, we've got the plethora of witches coming, so if someone gets jockey, try to, like, lead them into the witch.
Yep.
Wait, where's the
Spitter.
witch?
They're
the white dots on the map.
yeah, they're lit up for you. Gotcha, Russ.
Alright, alright. I'm gonna go ahead, go to the witch
Yes.
and do the yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find I'm gonna get to the witch and I'll spawn there.
Russ might die if someone can get on them really quick. Can anyone get over there?
I can't get a good spitter spawn right
Dang.
here.
Okay. Oh, Russ is dead. Never mind.
Alright, let's
It says
die.
Dan left.
What?
It says Dan left.
Dan left? I'm wondering if he dropped. Because I dropped already. I don't know. Ooh, Jubbz is going to be tank.
Oh yeah!
So they threw fire in the way. Just let the fire go away. Don't run into the. Do not get burned.
Alright.
Hi, satellite.
Hey.
Nice. Not yes. Oh,
Yes.
San. Oh, man.
This is wipe. This is a wipe.
Alright, let me see where I can find him. If the...
Oh, I'm becoming the tank? Oh, Jubbz didn't
Jubbz
find
lost
him.
control.
Okay.
Oh crap.
Okay, where am I? I can't even tell where I'm
You're
at.
way
really.
out in the middle of which building?
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, no. Tell me I can get out of here. Okay. Oh, these janky tank spawns. Oh, come on, come on, come on.
Gotcha,
There we go.
satellite! Gotcha, satellite! Gotcha, satellite! Oh shit!
Oh, got Moosh!
Okay,
Got Moosh!
that works.
Moosh is on his last legs.
Okay, satellite's incapacitated. I just gotta get Rochelle, and this is game. Oh, what? Moosh is up?
He's on his last legs, but yeah.
Game. Okay, there we go. What the crap? Why am I not hitting Rochelle?
Satellite's just running for it.
Okay. Oh my god. This fraps lag. Well, okay.
The recording.
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
Okay, Rochelle is done. They're gonna get more points than us, but whatever. Actually, maybe
No, they
not.
won't. Let me show you what I can do.
Okay. Oh, I wanted to.
I got you, Satellite! Oh. Yeah, I beat the hell out of him!
I held him still.
I wonder if Dan's coming back. Huh. Dan's offline.
Satellite, you're dead!
Jubbz is fired again.
Jubbz is fired again, huh? How many times have I gotten fired?
Satellite, there's no limit. Okay, so the next chapter. Oh crap! The cornfield, that freaking cornfield. Just run.